Welcome, Algebra students, to week 3. We're going to continue working on our equations. Monday will be equations with variables on both sides, and Tuesday is multi-step equations. Both Monday and Tuesday have a worksheet for homework, so be sure to look for that where your homework is listed. Wednesday will begin 1-6 relations, continuing into Thursday, and Friday will begin 1-7 functions. Although there is no quiz or test this week, I want to let you know that next Friday, September 11th, we will have our first test, our Chapter 1 test. So be sure to review all your notes and work in preparation for next Friday, September 11th, Chapter 1 test. Best wishes on your test. Have a great week. Keep up your studies.